Okay, so looking at multiplying fractions this video. Multiplying fractions, probably the easiest out of all four operations. So here we've got 2 over 3 times 1 over 2. All you need to do, multiply the top together, multiply the bottom together. So that will now be 2 over 6. And make sure you look for any simplification when possible. So that'll be 1 over 3. Now, one thing you could have done is when we were at this stage here, in order to make the simplification a bit quicker, you can, in advance, spot that we have these pairs of 2's. So what I could have actually done was score those out, and left I have 1 over 3. So that's another route you can go down with the simplification, and we'll be looking at that method a bit more when we're dealing with our algebraic ones. But onwards to the next one. So this one, I've got, gonna have 5 times 3 over 6 times 4. So that's now going to be 15 over 24. Divide the top and the bottom by 3. So that's now going to be 5 over 8. Okay, so our next one here, want to turn these top-heavy, these mixed numbers into top-heavy fractions. So doing the big number multiplied by our denominator, adding on the numerator all over the denominator, times big number multiplied by the denominator, adding on the numerator all over 7. So now that's going to be 11 over 5 multiplied by 9 over 7. So that's just going to be 11 times 9 over 5 times 7, which is going to be 99 over 35. And I don't believe that simplifies, so that stays as is. So that's basically the entire gist of multiplying fractions. One thing to be aware of though, if you're being asked to find 2/5 of 3 and 5/8, or if it's just asking to find one fraction of another fraction, that just means you're multiplying them. So don't let it throw you off when they put it like that. So if I was to follow through with this, I want to first turn that other number into a top-heavy fraction. So doing the big number times the denominator, add the numerator all over the denominator. So I've now got 2/5 times, that's going to be 24, out of 5, that's going to be 29 over 8. So now that's going to be 58 over 40. I can divide them both by 2, which gives me 29 over 20. And that can't simplify any further, especially since 29 is a prime number. So that's me all done there. So that's all we really need to do with multiplying fractions. And until then, see you later.